In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a PayPal business account for Shopify in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to e-commerce or are looking to expand your payment options, connecting your Shopify store to a PayPal business account can streamline your sales and make transactions easier. Let's dive into this simple process together. First, open your web browser and go to paypal.com. If you're not already signed up, this is the perfect time to create an account. Look for the sign up button on the PayPal homepage and give it a click. You'll be given a couple of account type options, and since today we're working on a business account, select business. After selecting the business account option, you'll see a get started button. Click on that. Now you need to provide some basic information to create your PayPal account. Enter your legal name, email address, and create a secure password. Make sure this password is strong to ensure your account security. Proceed by clicking to set up a business account. You'll be prompted to select a specific type of business account that fits your needs. Once you're ready, go ahead and fill in the necessary business details. PayPal will ask for your business registration number, a description of your business, and your bank account details. Be sure to have this information handy for a smooth setup process. At this point, you'll also need to review the terms and conditions. Once you've read them, click Agree and Create Account. PayPal will send a verification code to your registered email address, which is a key step in ensuring your account security and preventing fraud. Input the code as directed to verify your email. Sometimes PayPal might ask for additional information about your business, like your business type or anticipated turnover. This is perfectly normal and is part of tailoring your account to suit your business needs. With your PayPal business account set up, let's move on to Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Once inside, navigate to Settings. From there, locate the Payments section and click on that, leading you to various payment methods. Here, you should see PayPal listed as an option. Select it. Complete the setup by following the prompts that guide you to log into your PayPal account and authorize the connection between PayPal and Shopify. This is crucial for enabling your customers to make payments through PayPal on your Shopify store. During this setup, you will also be prompted to review policy and permission statements. Read and agree to these to continue. Finally, finalize the setup process by providing the remaining business details PayPal requires. Once that's done, it's a good idea to make a test transaction. This helps to ensure everything is integrated correctly, and your customers can make purchases seamlessly. There you have it. In just 5 minutes, you've successfully set up your PayPal business account for Shopify. Now, you're ready to enjoy the benefits of an easy and secure payment process for your online store. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.